Everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer from BNB from your Binance exchange into your Trust Wallet. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video on how to deposit, you're going to be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you've been using Binance for a while now, you can actually know that there are two ways that you can withdraw from Binance. Okay, you can either withdraw through the UID by using the UID. You can withdraw from Binance to another Binance. But here in this video, we just want to know how to transfer from Binance into Trust Wallet. So in that method, we are going to be making use of the on-chain method. Okay, so the second way of withdrawing is through the on-chain method, and the on-chain method entails that you transfer from Binance to a different wallet or a different exchange. So we are going to be making use of the on-chain method. I hope that is clear enough. So the first thing you have to do is to come over to where you have this wallet right here. Is to click on where you have that wallet. So as soon as you click on where you have that wallet, it will take you to the next step. So here is the next step. What you're going to be doing is to come right here and click on this send, because you want to send out of Binance. We tap on that. Okay, as soon as you tap on that, you come over to where you have this on-chain withdrawal. All right, click on this on-chain withdrawal. Then it will load out all the coins for you here on Binance. You can decide to type any coin that you want to send out of Binance. Okay, you can decide to send type USDT or BNB or any of the assets. All right, so as soon as you tap on this section, you can type the name of the asset you want to be typing. Here you can see BNB is already here already, so there's no need to come over here and type. You can just come here and click on this. All right, because it's BNB I want to send to Trust Wallet. So I'll click on that. As soon as you click on that, just go ahead and you can decide to activate this now, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do this. Just come over here and ignore. All right, click on ignore. Then as soon as you click on ignore, you come here and paste the address of the BNB you want to send to Trust Wallet. You come here and paste the wallet address. All right, so what you have to do is to get back to Trust Wallet and go and copy the wallet address and come back here and paste it. And then when you paste it, you come here and select the network of that BNB. Okay, then you type the amount of the token right here. I hope that is clear enough. So let's go to Trust Wallet. So here is Trust Wallet. You tap on it. You put your password. Okay, you insert your password here so that I can open. So as soon as it opens, you just have to scroll down here, scroll down, and where you have BNB, where you have this BNB right here, you can see BNB right here. Where you have this BNB right here, you tap on it. But in case it doesn't load up right here for you, you have to come to where you have this at the top right corner, where you have this search button. You tap on it and search the name of the coin that you want to send. Okay, so you come you tap on it and then you select the coin. You type the coin name BNB. All right, so as soon as you type the coin name BNB, is going to show up this. You can see BNB Smart Chain has just showed up. You tap on it again. All right, so as soon as you tap on it again, it's going to open the wallet. Here is going to load up the wallet. Okay, then you have to come to where you have this receive button right here at the bottom. You can see receive button at the bottom. You tap on that receive button at the bottom. Then as soon as you tap on it, you just come over here and tap on this copy address. Here is the address that I want to be copying. You see where you have that copy, just tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you have successfully copied the BNB wallet address from Trust Wallet. So you now go back to your Binance exchange now and go and paste that wallet address right here and paste it right here where you have this address. Okay, so you paste it right there. Okay, so as soon as you paste that wallet address right there, the network is BNB. Okay, the network should be BNB. So you select that BSC right there, the first one. You select this BSC right there under the network selection, choosing under this choose networks. You come over here and select BSC, because the network that we want to be sending our BNB into is BSC. So I'll type this BSC network. All right, so I'll tap on it. Then as soon as you tap on it, you select it, it's gonna show up. It's gonna show up. You come over here and then you insert the amount of BNB you want to be sending. Okay, the minimum you can send out is 0.005 BNB. So but you can come here and type the amount that you want to send. All right, you can type the amount. So as soon as you type on the amount you want to be sending, you come over here and click on withdraw. All right, so as soon as you tap on that withdraw, you can see as soon as you tap on this withdraw button right here, it is going to confirm your transaction. A new window will open so that I can confirm the transactions. So as soon as you confirm this transaction, your coin is gonna, the amount which is 50 BNB that I transferred here, is gonna leave this your Binance and be sent to your Trust Wallet automatically. I hope that is clear enough. So that is how you transfer your BNB to your Trust Wallet. All right, that is how you transfer your BNB to your Trust Wallet. So once again, once you insert your address here from the Trust Wallet that I showed you, you come here and select the network, and you come here, insert the amount of BNB you want to be sending. Okay, as soon as you do that, you come over here and click on withdraw, and then you confirm the withdrawal. As soon as you confirm the withdrawal, the 50 BNB or the amount of BNB you want to be sending to Trust Wallet is going to reflect automatically in your Trust Wallet. You are going to see it automatically right in your Trust Wallet. I hope that is clear enough. So if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, do your best to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video.